How much more of this job can I take? My boss never gives me a single break. Haven't had a raise in 7 years. I wish I were in bed, but instead I'm stuck here. I got passed over for that big promotion, so now I'm counting up my ammunition. Shoot all your problems away. Shoot all your problems away. Grab your gun, now you're having fun. Shoot all your problems away.
Living with you can be a chore.
You leave wet towels on the bathroom floor.
You never put your dirty dishes in the sink.
You chew so loud I can hear myself think.
We need to work together in harmony. It's time to break out the artillery. Shoot all our problems away.
Birthday every year.
We have to serve juice, we can't even drink beer.
The presents suck. Sucks again.
In my heart I feel nothing but pain.
Don't have to make a wish and blow out the candle. Everybody just take your gun and grab it by the handle. Shoot all your problems away.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Tom Scott, and I'm here to drop some knowledge on ya. Guns are great, but once in a while you can solve your problems with a smile. Listen up, kids, no need to hate. Just give the haters a firm handshake. Even thugs know hugs can save the day. Nah, I'm kidding, shoot your problems away.
Slept in late.
Shoot your problems away.
Can't lose weight.
Shoot your problems away.
Email spam.
Shoot your problems away.
Your gun gets jammed.
Shoot your problems away.
Come on, everybody, and say it again. It's time to kill the Canadians.
Grab your gun. Shoot all your problems away. Shoot all your problems away. Shoot all your problems away. Grab your gun, now you're having fun. And just shoot all your problems away.
Sponsored by Johnson's Gun Emporium. The more guns there are, the safer we'll be.
More guns there are, the safer we'll be.